How to update email on Ring. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can update your email on your Ring account. For that, open your Ring application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to the home page of your Ring application, here at the top left, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines and some menu will appear. From here, under account headings, click on Control Center and you will be taken to the new page. From here, select account management. After selecting account management, you will reach to this page. Here you will find your email option. Next to the email, you will also see update option. Click on the update option next to it and you will be directed to this page. Here first you will have to verify your identity by entering password in this box. Make sure you enter the correct password here. After entering your password, click on this continue button. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Wait for the code and once you receive the code, enter it in this box. Then click on this verify code option. After successful verification of that code, now you can enter your new email address here. So in this way, you can update your email on Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.